last but not least, it's a pro-inflammatory driver. So oxalate can set off inflammation, usually because of microcrystals, but essentially it sets off the inflammasome. And you can have this sterile inflammation that could be happening anywhere in the body where you have these calcium oxalate microcrystals potentially accumulating. So we have basically these three big things, relatively small things that it's doing, but big because they affect us so systemically. And and because we can't break it down, we can't do anything with it out of our own metabolism except secrete it, get it into the bloodstream, and then hopefully move it into the intestines for disposal or move it via the kidneys, scrape out the oxalate from the bloodstream via the kidneys for disposal. But if we're accumulating it faster than we can get rid of it, then we have a definite problem.